Hello everyone and welcome to Volinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where Word icon thumbnails are not showing on doc files in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing the problem of missing Word document thumbnails in Windows 11, there is a straightforward solution that does not involve deleting the icon cache. Begin by searching for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar, and then select the Disk Cleanup application. Once Disk Cleanup opens, click on OK. In the window that appears, ensure that all the boxes are checked, then click OK again and proceed to delete the files. After this process completes, search for Disk Cleanup once more and open it. This time, when Disk Cleanup loads, select the option to clean up system files and then click OK. Allow Disk Cleanup to run through its process of cleaning up these files. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.